Ladies and gentlemen, I am going to roll out a recipe for Mr. McIntosh. Now, Mr. McIntosh loves to drink. It's Friday night.
You say it so now, man.
No, you're not yet. Every time I feel for a beer, I think about Ronnie McIntosh. And that's no joke. Ask my wife. Every time I feel to take a beer, I say, I wonder what Ronnie doing. Because Ronnie, you drink like Scotch and rum.
Do you drink malt? Malt.
Do you drink Scotch and rum and so on?
No, sir.
No. All Ronnie drinks is beer.
That's it.
A case every Friday night at least.
Less.
Less than a case?
About 23.
23. You eat pork, right?
Yes.
I'm going to roll out a recipe tonight, and this recipe is one that I hope that you try over the holidays because
Go slow, so I'm paying attention to.
it's a cocoa spiced pork loin with a touch of Christmas.
All right.
Cocoa spiced pork loin with a little touch of Christmas.
But you know what you're doing, eh?
I know what to do it. I rehearse the recipe, I
Nice.
try it, and then I come here and I'm ready for you today.
Let's go work out. You know how you...
First thing I'm doing, right? First thing I'm doing is that I've chopped up some slivers of garlic.
Yeah.
That I
Very
want
important.
to, yeah. So I just want to get, I kind of place some nice little holes in the pork, and I just really want to get the garlic slivers in as many as I can. Just so when it's roasting, that garlic flavor will infuse through the pork, right?
I'm paying
Going
attention.
good?
I'm paying attention.
Because I know it could bubble up hot, you know.
Oh, you know, but we could switch it.
If it's one person that can't fool on this set is you.
Thank you very much. Can't fool me, brother. I'm watching you.
You take over the kitchen for Carol on a Sunday.
Always. The kitchen is mine.
The kitchen is yours on a Sunday. Mm-hmm. In just like you want about, I would just say about 6 or 7 garlic cloves in there. Once you get that in there, right? So
None on the sides, just the top.
Yeah, I'm going with the top. This pork is I don't want it over garlic because
all right, okay.
you want to flip and
You go ahead.
the reason being is because I have a spice rub here that is very, very potent.
Okay, balance.
Right? So I have 7 spices that I'm putting into this little spice mixture that I mixed here.
Okay, so that is all.
That is all of this magic here.
Okay, cool.
Cocoa is the main little ingredient. Unsweetened cocoa powder.
Right.
To the cocoa powder, you're adding allspice, cinnamon, cardamom, cayenne pepper for a little heat, ginger.
Important ginger.
Love it. And I have some oregano.
Okay.
I mixed all of that together
And get that.
and I got this.
Very good.
And I got this, right?
Any particular, like one half a teaspoon, half a
Get the
teaspoon?
recipe on TriniCooks.com.
Balance and all.
No. So the clove, I have some ground clove in here. Clove is a very strong spice. So I just added about a quarter teaspoon.
Flavor, okay.
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
So as I said, a touch of Christmas because a lot of those herbs and spices there are Christmas. Clove, cinnamon, allspice.
Right.
That's kind of Christmas vibe.
Cool.
But it's a cocoa spice, right? All I'm doing, Ronnie, a little salt and pepper in here as well.
All right.
A little salt and pepper in here as well. I'm just sprinkling nice liberally. Flip him. You had to season both sides.
Flip now. Yeah. That's pork. What you tell me?
This is a pork loin.
Pork loin.
Available, as I say, in any supermarket.
Right. I have my own farm. I have my own farm.
You have your own pork farm? You deal with pigs? Ronnie McIntosh. These are all age. This is PG.
Right.
Oil hot.
Oil. What type of oil?
2 tablespoons.
Olive oil. What?
I have olive oil in here.
Olive oil. Okay.
I have olive oil in here. 2 tablespoons. Hot. First order of business is to take this guy here and drop him straight in there. Forget him for a little bit. 2 minutes. You know, sometimes you put a piece of meat and you go on and you start to...
Yeah, don't choke here. Don't choke.
I learned the hard way not to do that.
Don't choke.
You rest him there, leave him there, because I want it seared. Make sure you pot hot, but not smoking.
Right.
Right? 2 minutes. You come for me. Take a drink. To 5. We drink the real thing just now. I promise you, we drink the real thing just now.
Yeah, this is sufferation. You know how long me drink a malt? Look, hey, what's Mr. getting? Ration, I get ration, Mr.
You
What
get
can I take? Ration, don't mean look at malt, right?
2 minutes on either side, Ronnie, is what I'm looking for.
You're on 40 seconds.
40 seconds. Now, this is important because what this does is actually seal the flavors of the spice rub. It kind of just brings those flavors together. I'm taking it here now.
So you're flipping on 1 minute?
I'm flipping.
Basically?
Sir?
You're flipping on 1 minute? Around that?
A minute up to 2 minutes.
Okay.
All right? Yeah, I'm not talking too much around that time, so I have to get this in the oven.
Good.
So 2 minutes on either side. Make sure you get a nice sear on either side. It then goes into the oven.
Oh, okay.
Straight in the oven for about 45 minutes to an hour. Now, this is a big boy. There are some nice loins that I like, nice thinner loins. You can do the same recipe and bake it for probably about 20 to 30 minutes.
Yes, yeah.
And you get the same result. That's a big boy that I got there. I dealing with that.
Well, tonight is a big night.
I dealing with that tonight, yeah, because tonight is a big night.
Tonight is a big night.
Ronnie McIntosh in the house, ladies and gentlemen. Ronnie, have a plate?
Eh?
I bring this plate for me, right?
I'm gonna play 2 for you. Or
See ya?
how many plates for yourself? 2?
This here, all nicely sliced,
Is the
is the finished product.
finished product.
I want to get this in the oven because I'm dealing with this fella tonight.
So we could I could take away that then.
No, this is not a takeaway. You see that nice caramelization you're seeing here?
Uh-huh.
That's what you're looking for. Ronnie, this goes straight in the oven.
Oven
And
already
baked.
heated. Oven already heated.
Oven on 375 degrees.
I was about to ask you
Heated, and you bake that in the oven, and you get this fella. Can we taste, please, Ronnie McIntosh?
Sure.
Can we taste?
Sure.
Tell me.
Sure, boy.
Don't like him, man. You're my brother.
I know, of course, and I will.
Hurry up.
Garlic. Ginger. Nice. Strong. Cocoa. Nice.
I promise you one thing. Come hungry, you'll leave happy tonight. Cup of Joe celebrates 5. We are coming right back, folks.
No, it is
We're
good, it is
live
good.
at Fiesta in Movie Town.
It is good.
This is Flavors at Fiesta. Cup of Joe celebrates 5. Come on back.
Yeah, David, it is good.